A lot of the big box hardware stores are going to sell a variety of sizes and pre-finished shelving, similar to this blonde maple or painted white, or even a dark mahogany type finish. And that's something you may consider if you don't think that you can do the finish yourself or you don't have the ability to. But hang on, a little bit later on, I'm going to show you how to apply the finish in a way that's really easy, extremely low odor. It can even be done indoors. When it comes to cutting shelves, we chose to use our track saw. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to get straight line cuts without moving heavy sheets of plywood across a table saw. Now, if you don't have a track saw, you could always use a circular saw with a straight edge. It's going to do the same thing. I will mention though, if you're working in a small space like a garage or maybe even inside of an apartment or a condo building, and you have a track saw such as this Wen track saw or maybe a Festool one hooked up to a dust extractor or a vacuum cleaner, you will significantly reduce the amount of sawdust in the air. Though I don't recommend cutting inside a condo or an apartment building, it is doable. In our case, the mounting hardware that we chose was right at 12 inches. We set up our cuts to be 11 and 15/16 of an inch. That gave us 4 equal shelves out of a 4x8 sheet of plywood. We only made 3 cuts in each sheet. We had 5 sheets going here. We can chop up the length a little bit later on, but let's get into the edge banding and sanding process now.